Hello, welcome back. Viper Trading here. All communications from Viper Trading are for educational purposes only. Futures trading does involve risk. There is a risk of loss, and of course, you probably already know that you do trade at your own sole discretion. All right, welcome back. Got a little 6E trade on here. This is the Euro futures, Euro FX futures. Just like the dollar, if you saw the other video, was selling off this morning. We had a nice precipitous sell-off in the dollar, and that caused around 7:20 or so we got a long breakout signal on 6E. As you probably know, the Euro FX futures 6E move in more or less kind of a mirror image to the dollar index. So when we're short the dollar, we're long 6E. So of course you can see here we got a nice long signal here, which we get here was our thrust, our initial thrust up. And then we look for what we call probe trades. We get our green stealth line, blue bars, green background, which means that we're in an uptrend. And when we're in an uptrend, we're looking to buy. So we look for retracements into support, which we call probe trades, and then of course we pull the trigger and buy. In this case, we got filled at 37.62. Now let me blow this up a little bit and you can show you what's going on right now. Here's the probe trade breakout we took. Now notice what's happening here is we put in a thrust high here just under 3,800 on 6E, and then we're just going into a nice little retracement here like this. And then in the case of an uptrend, we're looking for it to probe support. In this case, the bars turned yellow, right? This support level right here. See it? Just happened. Just literally happened as we watched it. And in this case here, we're looking for what we call a resumption of buying in the case of an uptrend, pushing this market higher, which it's actually doing right now. You're actually watching it live. It just came off a probe trade. In fact, we're going to go ahead and pull our stop up a little tighter right now. Okay, see how it just happened? Thrust, retrace, thrust, retrace. Now we're looking for this market to break up through this resistance level here. And if you had bought this level, if you just bought the support level right here on this probe trade, your initial target would be this swing level here. If you put two contracts on, you'd peel one off up here at resistance, and you'd put a very tight stop under here. So your risk is very low, and you'd look for a break of 3,800. Okay, that's how these probe trades work. For us, we're long from this probe trade down here. We got in down here. And so what we're doing is giving our trade a little bit of wiggle room because we think it's going to head higher and the dollar is still showing some weakness. All right, anyway, just wanted to show 6E trade, probe trade setup, and hope you made some good coin this morning. We did in the room, and we'll see you at vipertradingsystems.com. Bye now.